So here's a close-up of a chip. Let's start on the left video here. As you can see, I already got it laid out 86 degrees. So we're going to call that 4 degrees of shaft lean. As we take it to the backswing and then catch it on the way down, as the club's coming into impact, you can see the shaft's returning slightly in front of where it started. And if we draw a line on this shaft, we'll call that 85 degrees. So that's 5 degrees or so of shaft lean. So if the bounce is above 5, that club's going to interact with the turf and slide across the ground. If I was playing a wedge that had low bounce and I had a golf ball that was off the back foot, we'll call it in this scenario right here, and we took our measurement, that's 75 degrees, so we're going to call that 15 degrees of shaft lean. So that one, the toe or the leading edge, if we didn't control the height well, is going to crash into the ground first as opposed to the bottom where it's going to slide. If we go over here to the right view, same setup, and then on the way down, catch it on the downswing. Club's coming in the impact, and the club actually lands on the ground at this point. If we measure it out, that's 83 degrees, or 7 degrees of shaft lean. My wedges I play, they have 10 degrees of bounce on them. So in this scenario, we can land the golf club inside of an inch or two on a tight lie behind the golf ball. If you have the right setup, wedge-wise, and the handle's not too far forward, that golf club's going to land on the grass and slide along the turf through the contact. So here's the up-close view. Club is touching the grass at this point right here, slides on the grass until about this point. Golf ball was somewhere in that slide. If we go to the left video, this one is a little bit more ball and turf at the same time, or slightly turf before the ball. That club's sliding across the ground and starts to come off the ground. So in wedge play on the short shots, you have some room for error as long as you don't have the golf ball too far back or too much shaft lean at the bottom.